size. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
As you can see, I have a huge pile of clothes behind me, or piles of clothes. I'm feeling slightly overwhelmed because my goal was to get everything winter out of my closet and really take a lot of the pieces that I had in high school, had in college, and like get rid of them. Because I'm 27. I just celebrated my 27th birthday and I'm just feeling like I'm in my late 20s. I am an adult. I want to get rid of the stuff that made me feel like just a kid. I don't wear a lot, like whatever. And I'm having a hard time now because I'm realizing either I still love that stuff and it still fits, or like I don't have as much as I thought I did, and it's really just I am a clothes hoarder because I love clothing. So I think I'm going to use an old school method that I did years and years and years ago, turning the hangers around. And if I have not worn some of this stuff by the time I switch my closet over again, then it needs to go. I did have, I think it's 2 sweaters over on the chair. That's stuff that I'm actually going to donate. That's another thing too. I want to clean out my drawers, all of them. The one that's the most overcrowded is my like athleisure pajama catch-all drawer, and then I really want to go through my bra and underwear drawer because I have underwear that I got from Amazon that I just don't like. I bought new last weekend, so I'm going to exchange that out. I got 2 new sports bras, so I want to go through my bras and get rid of what I've never worn or I don't want to wear, I don't like, whatever. Make more space for that. This is the tote that I use to swap out my summer and winter stuff. Like I have shown before, I typically always do a changeover spring, fall. That's when I will do my changeovers. This chair has all of the clothes that somehow need to fit into here. If it doesn't fit in here, then I need to go through stuff because then I have way too much. There are pieces that I will still wear in winter, like are all seasonal. So, or all season wear. You know what I mean. I need to go through it. I need to see what I want to keep, what I want to wear, what I will wear, what will fit.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 Pilot t-shirt, that's the stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly. Knows how to write a good song, at least better than this. 'Cause if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it. 'Cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Come on and give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want Everyone's taking their shot, showing all that they got, but they'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that she drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes her want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah. Guess I want her to. Oh yeah. Guess I want her to.
Thought I would show you my actual piles. So this is my donate to a clothing box thing. All the clothes I'm getting rid of. So it's a lot of dresses. There's quite a few things that were in the storage bin that I got rid of, and then just some sweaters that I don't like. And of course, like I said, if they weren't all gonna fit, then something needed to go. So that's what I decided to do. This is my pile that needs to go downstairs. This is body wash that I got for my birthday. I need to replenish my work Q-tip container. That's just going to be recycled. This is I wanted to give insight on it is okay if storage that you used to use doesn't work for you anymore. I bought this a couple of years ago and I was using this for my bras, but I have bras now that just don't fit right in this, and it takes up more room in my bra drawer over there than if, like, there's just not enough space for this and bras. So this is going. This was a couple bucks at the Dollar Tree. I'm just getting rid of it. I don't have another use for it. I like my storage in my sock and underwear drawer. I don't need this, so we're getting rid of it, which is going to go in here in that bag, which is new pillows that I just put on my bed. I threw out the other ones, and this is all of the garbage. So a lot of bras, underwear, socks that I'm getting rid of, garbage, and all of that. And then this is what the broom looks like. Obviously, it's not perfect, but it is going to work for now. I am glad to be kind of on the end of this. I have a lot more that I'd like to do. I'd like to fix this. It's kind of driving me crazy. I have that stuff under there I can't wait to get rid of. It's just stockpiling because I am filming multiple videos all at once. I am trying to batch film, so I have, like, on the tip of my tongue, progress over perfection, because I've been watching Natalie Bennett's videos and that is her, like, tagline, and it is such a good little piece of advice. And that's just what I feel like today. Today is such a rainy day. I want to enjoy it and watch some TV. We are watching Sweet Magnolias right now, me and my grandmother, so we are mid-season and I want to finish it this weekend. So that is going to be what I do this afternoon. But 2:15, I'm going to wrap up everything, get a garbage bag for the donations. I'm going to go through my Google Keep notes and all of my lists to see what I've gotten done and what else I need to do. Because I think I want to take a break for the rest of the day. I've done a portion of what I've wanted to do that's been on the back of my mind. And like I said, I really want to enjoy this rainy afternoon. I've been dreaming about a rainy afternoon where we just watch TV and I read. So that's what I want to do. But we will pick up very, very soon, I'm sure.